Very warm day everyone. This is your Valli addressing from SL William School Jagapat Nagaram dealing with the subject English. So children, in the previous videos we discussed many things about degrees of comparison. Model 1, Model 2 and Model 3. And in this video we are going to discuss about Model 4. And one more thing I want to give a clarity that I don't want to discuss about Model 5. Why? Because for your levels Model 5 is very difficult. So and so I don't want to discuss Model 5 with you guys. So this is the last video regarding degrees of comparison. Okay children, look at the video very clearly. And here we have a keywords that very few, most other, one of the. Very few is of positive degree and most other is for comparative degree and one of the relates to superlative degree. Okay children, and here we have examples that very few newspapers are as good as the Hindu. Okay, very few newspapers are as good as Hindu. So very few is the key word, okay, which says it is positive degree of Model 4. Okay, while writing comparative degree, as usual we have to start with the last subject, the Hindu. The Hindu, singular. So helping verb is the Hindu is. Next, the Hindu is good. For good, we have to use the comparative degree better. The Hindu is better than. The Hindu is better than. The keyword? What's the keyword? Most other. Better than. Most other. Most other newspapers. Here the word most other, which says about the comparative degree of Model 4. And next, the superlative. As usual, the last subject comes first, that the Hindu. And the key word is one of the. The Hindu is one of the. After helping verb only we are changing the sentence. Remember that word. Remember the dialects. The Hindu is one of the best newspaper. Okay children. One of the superlative degree. Okay children. Now the second one is Madras is bigger than most other Indian cities. Okay, given on comparative degree, we know that most other relates to comparative. Okay, and next, positive. What we can write on positive? As usual, it comes with very few. Remember one thing children, for Model 3 and Model 4, only positive degree the format is changing. No other degrees are changing. Remaining degrees, the comparative and superlative are as usual starts with the last subject comes first. Okay, here very few cities in India. Very few cities in India are as big as Madras. Very few, which says about positive degree. And what about superlative degree? Superlative, as usual, the last subject comes first. There is a relation between comparative and superlative degrees now. Obviously, they want to start with the same format. Okay. For superlative degree, what was the keyword? One of the. Madras is one of the. Madras is one of the bigger, biggest. Superlative, biggest. Madras is the biggest city in India. Okay, one of the which says about superlative degree, and the last one is Akbar was one of the greatest king. That was given in superlative degree, which I had to write that one, and comparative as Akbar was greater than most other kings. In positive, very few kings were as great as Akbar. Okay, children, I hope the degrees of comparison total one is very clear, and thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts regarding these four models, please contact me through WhatsApp. Okay, children, thank you everyone.